Hello Nutrimetics fam, welcome back to another makeup tutorial where we will be featuring the new Nutrimetics Shine Bright Eyeshadow Palette. This gorgeous palette contains 6 rich powders, 3 matte and 3 shimmers to create a range of beautiful eye looks. Using all things Nutrimetics, I have my base complete and I'm going to show you how we're going to go from this day event ready eyeshadow look that's perfect for any Christmas lunch on a look to create this new one where you're nighttime ready to party the night away for New Year's Eve. Grab your Nutrimetics brush collection set using the fluffy eye blending brush, color petal, apply that all over your upper crease and your brow bone. Get a set eyelid concealer. Using the eyeshadow brush, pick up the color blue and apply that to the lash line halfway up the eyelid, flicking it out to create a wing. Using your eye blending brush, go ahead and blend it out so that it's nice and soft with no transition line. Using the intense waterproof eye pencil and a lip brush, pick up some of the product and smudge it closest to the lash line. This is a great way to intensify the lash line and create a soft buildable wing if you're struggling. Never forget to tightline your waterline, curl your eyelashes, and apply the 4-in-1 Ultimate Mascara, probably the richest, darkest mascara I've ever used. Ideal for those who have sensitive eyes. Daytime eye looks do not have to be complicated. Look how beautiful this was using just 2 eyeshadows. Now let's build on this look and get evening ready for New Year's. Using the Shine Bright eyeshadow palette, pick up the color Coral with the eyeshadow brush, smudge that under the lash line and in your upper crease. We're creating a transition so that the colors blend seamlessly together in a complementary fashion. Using the lip brush and the color Silver and add it to the inner corner of the eye. Color combination in this eyeshadow palette work together to really brighten up the eyes. Let's continue to intensify by picking up the color Blue and smudging that into the eyelid. Using the smudge brush, really saturate the product to the eyelid and smudge the excess under the eyelash. Watch the pigment saturate and shine bright on your eyelid as you continue to apply. Let's take it up a notch by adding the color Gold using your finger. Look how the color glistens, and in just one swipe it easily applies on the eyelid. To intensify the look and blend it together, add more blue to the lash line, wing the color out. No evening look is complete without more eyeliner, so apply that to the top and bottom waterline. Give it a smudge with the smudger on the back of the eyeliner to create a smoky eye. Blend in some excess blue so that it transitions well. Top up with more mascara on the top and bottom lash, giving it that little wiggle separates the lashes. Check out that difference and how we've managed to build this eyeshadow look. We are now evening ready, a bright and sultry look ideal for New Year's. Both buildable looks were created with the Shine Bright eyeshadow palette. Be sure to get yourself and a loved one one. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and are ready for any Christmas Day event or New Year's night event.